Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dunario, I'm florist expert. This channel we talk only about flower. So whether it's flower for yourself, for your friend, birthday gift, wedding, and then hotel, we talk detail in this channel. So anyone who interested about flowers, please hit subscribe, and then any florist who would like to share their knowledge so everyone know about flowers, please comment, and then next time we collaborate in this channel. Right, let's go. All right guys, for now we're not gonna make a flower. We're not arranging or cutting flowers and then make a bouquet, create something beautiful and then display it. No, but you have to know the definition and then the reason why when people ask you why we have to spend much money just buying flower which is last only like 3 or 4 days. If you're lucky, it lasts like 10 days. You have to know that. Okay, the first is florist. Florist itself is come from floristry, which is a part of horticultural science subject, which means floristry is production, commerce and trade in flowers. It encompasses flower care, flower handling, flower arranging, flower design, merchandising and display. And then the last but not least is you have to know how to deliver it, because if for example you are in charge in packing, this is one part of florist job as well, right? As floristry itself is considered as flower design or floral art, which is art of arranging, like creating something, a combination or composition of material with flowers using a vase, a basket, bowl and other container, or even it's a bouquet, and arranging some composition with cut flowers, foliage and other material. So flower design. And then florist itself is a floral designer. Some people call it flower artist as well, which means the person who's making or who's using materials with flowers to create something pleasing, like a balanced composition that is aesthetically appealing, like it attracts people, something beautiful. More than that, florist is, especially in the hotel, has to know like how to make a report, because in the end of the month there is cost that you spend. You purchase of flowers like oases and then grass or foliages. This need to be reported because hotel will pick supplier, right? Then that is one of other job of florist within the hotel. And then this is like people asking why. Just I give you some reason, but actually like a lot of reason. The first reason is why you need to put a flower in some place, because bright, fresh cut flowers, it instantly improves the mood. People who's not happy or sad buy flowers sometimes, it's not change 100%, but it can at least can make them happier, right? And then flower can take place boring decor every day. For example, repeater guests who come in same hotel, if furniture is the same and then the color is the same, flower will be important part to change that ambience. Okay, flower also bring positive emotional feeling to some person, to people, to most of people. And then flowers also often used as symbol of beauty, and it's also meant to be lingering visual reminder and purity in life, like in variety of tradition, like Balinese using flowers every day, every single day. And then also it's a like reminder of personal memories and well wishes toward to some personal occasion. That is some reason why we need flower. Okay, next is you have to know like where in this part it needs to have advanced skill. You cannot just 1 month, 2 months learn and then you know how to decide. For example, you work in a hotel, like in the lobby, you cannot just decide put somewhere, but you have to decide the reason why you put in the center, in the corner, or in the reception desk. If in the restaurant, like whether it's every table needs to put small flower or whatever, you have to think about cost, how it's taking care, how to be, you have to treat them. If you put like 100 centerpiece and then you are only 1 or 2 person, how to take care of it, because you need to be water it and etc. Right? Okay, important step is how. Like how is for example, you handle one customer, you have to think about how much you're gonna spend. For example, they require import flower, then you have to know about it first. Like not every flower is available the whole year. Most of them, I can tell some of them are seasonal, like peonies only 6 months and then another 6 months will not available. So if for example customer insists to have that, whether you find artificial or you give us other alternative. For example, garden rose will be similar size, or Ecuador rose, that kind of thing. Like you have to know each item, whatever customer want, whatever guest want, the couple want, you have to know it. And then after you compile everything, like design is ready and then the number of flowers is ready and your time to order. After you order, then you wait the flowers come, and when it's come, time to handle it carefully, like properly care. Cut the stem and then put in a fridge. For example, this exotic flower like lilies, peonies, tulip, and some roses really need to cold temperature. And then the fun part is arranging. Like after everything ready, design is ready, and then the number of flower, the needs of flower in each centerpiece is ready, and time is ready. This is fun stuff, right? Arrange based on your skill and then your talent, and then make sure it's nice. After everything done, when let's say you're doing a wedding, after you have advanced skill to be a freelancer, people call it florist, freelance florist. After it's ready, then the job is done. But if you work in a hotel, after everything ready, you still have one job, which is management reports. Alright, so I think that's all for now for this video, and the next video gonna be still, we're not doing a flower yet, but we need to break down. Like for example, you want to be florist, like the first is a florist for yourself, a hobby, like you're doing it, it's not for big thing. And then second is a freelance florist. So what is their responsibility, how they work, and then how it's work, and then I will share how much they earn normally. Like in Bali, yeah, it's not, I don't know in other place, but in Bali, Indonesia, in Jakarta, it's almost the same. The rate is the same, but I will tell on this next video. And then the last is florist for the hotel. It's required a lot of skill, and maybe will be a bit long in this section. All right, okay, that's all for now. If you have a question, if you have request, or you want to say something, just write in the comment below, and then don't forget to subscribe, okay, so you will not miss for the next video. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.